Hello everyone, this is Abhishek. I hope you are all doing great and fantastic, guys. Guys, I am making video after 3 to 4 days and what I am learning within 3 days and 4 days. So I'm talking about this, guys. Guys, some people know basic Excel and some people know basic to advanced Excel, but I don't know, guys, and don't have any idea to advanced Excel. So I know some topic of basic Excel, but properly I don't know, guys. I'm learning through YouTube and free resources, so I feel it's very tough, so I move on paid courses, guys. I talking about control a means you can selection of complete data, and also we learn shift arrow means you can look at the keyboard, left, right, up, down. These are called the arrows button. So you can select a single row and single column, and you can also use that shift arrow means shift left, shift right, shift up, shift down. And also learning what is the best font in the Excel when you write text in the cell, and also learning about uh, border, thick border, more border, no border, and all border means uh, highlighted the border in the cell. uh, you can use the shortcut key of all border, and also you can use the uh, home tab function, and also you can use the shortcut key. So I'm talking about the shortcut key of the all border alt HBA, and more border alt HBM, and thick border alt HBT, and no border alt HBN. These are four key of the border, and you can use also these shortcut key according your needs, guys. And also learning about worksheet and workbook. What is the difference between worksheet and workbook? Guys, I'm learning this particular topic, and also learning how to insert row and column and how to delete row and column. Guys, control plus you insert row and column, and delete column you can use control minus. Guys, insert row and column you can also use control shift minus. These are the second shortcut key. uh, Control plus, control shift minus, these are same key, and these are same shortcut key of the insert row and column. Guys, I'm also learning about the alignment, how to correct our alignment. It's very helpful for making headings: left alignment, right alignment, top, bottom, mid, and in center. You can use these option. uh, it's very helpful for making headline of our data, and you can use also your needs according to you. Thank you so much, guys, watching for my video. Guys, I'm learning English conversation with Excel topic, and guys, as you know, my phone was dead, and so I have no money for new phone, so I'm getting a new job within the 30 days.